Welcome to Times Square, the beating heart of New York City, and one of the most famous crossroads in the entire world. Everywhere you look, there are neon lights, giant billboards, and people from every corner of the globe. Let's explore 5 fascinating facts about this iconic place. Fact number 1. Before 1904, this area wasn't even called Times Square. It was known as Longacre Square. The name changed when the New York Times built its headquarters here, and ever since, the square has carried the name Times Square. Fact number 2. Times Square is often called the crossroads of the world because of its bright lights that never go out. In fact, there's a city law that requires businesses here to keep their signs and billboards shining 24 hours a day. That's why this place always looks alive, no matter if it's day or night. Fact number 3. Did you know that more than 330,000 people walk through Times Square every single day? That's almost the entire population of some small cities, gathered here daily, just to experience the energy of New York. Fact number 4. Times Square is home to the famous New Year's Eve ball drop. This tradition started back in 1907 and continues to this day. When the ball drops at midnight, it's watched by more than 1 billion people around the world. Imagine, all eyes on this very square as the new year begins. And fact number 5. Times Square is the gateway to Broadway, the world's theater capital, with dozens of theaters and shows happening every night. This is where culture, music, and storytelling come alive. If New York City is a stage, then Times Square is the spotlight. So next time you see the flashing lights of Times Square, remember, it's not just a tourist attraction. It's history, tradition, culture, and the symbol of a city that never sleeps. If you enjoyed this walk, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more urban walks in New York City and around the world. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a video. See you in the next walk.